Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. Before I proceed with today's news, the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. I request our viewers to take necessary precautions. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently and do not step out of your house unnecessarily. Please maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. Top headlines for today are: Twitter acquires new startup Scroll. Near launches India's first blockchain accelerator program. Google and Facebook top the India Comscore ranking list. News for today are: Twitter has acquired Scroll, a news technology company. Twitter will use the acquisition as a part of its subscription offering. Scroll allows users to subscribe and read articles from various famous newspapers and magazines. Recently, Twitter also acquired newsletter platform Revenue for the same. Open source platform for decentralized applications Near has launched India Accelerator Program, which will help and support Indian startups to innovate or develop applications in blockchain space. This program is India's first blockchain accelerator program. The India Comscore ranking list has been rolled out for the month of March 2021. US-based tech companies Google and Facebook have topped the list, with Google having 463 million visitors and Facebook having 438.5 million visitors. Comscore is a media reach measurement company. Pune-based IoT platform ThingsUp has raised $1 lakh from GSF Accelerator. According to IoBot, the parent company of ThingsUp, the funding will be used to cater the rapid demand for digitizing the cold chain logistics. Fintech startup Nivesh has raised $1.6 million in a pre-Series A funding round from IAN Fund. The round also saw participation from angel investors from Indian Angel Network and LV Fund and angel investors Veer Mehta and Raghav Kapoor. Mumbai-based wealth management and investment advisory platform Arya Wealth and Investments has raised $1 million in Series A funding round. The round saw participation from family offices of industrialist Rishi Kumar Bagla of Bagla Group and Krishan Lal Khanna of Trenton Investments. Non-resident companies like Google, Facebook and other big tech companies which have more than rupees 2 crore of revenue and 300k users in India have to pay digital tax under new or revised bilateral pacts. The Government of India will apply the rules from 1st April 2022. The 5th generation Python 5 air-to-air missile for India's light combat aircraft Tejas has completed successful trials by the Defence Research and Development Organization. Python 5 has been manufactured by Rafael Advanced Defence System. Fintech company Paytm will be setting up oxygen plants in 12 to 13 cities. The step has been taken due to oxygen shortage amid COVID-19 pandemic. The donations to import these machines will be donated by Paytm Foundation and these will be provided by the government for free. The deliveries can be expected in the next 4 to 6 weeks. According to AIIMS chief, the CT scan in mild COVID-19 cases has harmful side effects and increases the chances of cancer. Dr. Randeep Guleria has advised against CT scan for mild COVID-19 cases. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.